Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, first of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Alfi Bina Rahmadanti. I am majoring in Management Logistik Industri Elektronika. I am from class 2D. I will tell you about my observations experience in PT Kompas Gramedia. PT Kompas Gramedia is a factory that manufactures books located on Palmerah Selatan Street, Central Jakarta. Before I decided to observe PT Kompas Gramedia, my team and I asked for permissions to visit PT Kompas Gramedia. And didn't need a long time, PT Gramedia allowed us to make observations there. At that time, my team and I arrived at 1 p.m. at the Gramedia office. I asked the security guards about the observations I was going to make there, and the security guards directed us to the receptionist. At the receptionist, I showed the permit along with the name of the person in charge, and then the receptionist immediately called the person in charge and told me to wait a little. The receptionist was very helpful and friendly. The receptionist told us to go up to the meeting room because we had been invited by the marketing team there. We headed to the meeting room. When we got there, we were greeted by the head of marketing who was very friendly. His name is Mr. Chris. Mr. Chris welcomed us kindly and introduced ourselves to each other. After getting acquainted, Mr. Chris presented about PT Gramedia in general, such as productions and the flow of goods at PT Gramedia. The presentation given was not boring because it was interspersed with jokes, and also we are welcome to ask if there are things that want to be asked or not understood. The presentation's content more or less about the profile of Gramedia and the parts that are on PT Gramedia and the process to the production of books that are on PT Gramedia. Before the presentation was over, the supply chain manager was very kind. The supply chain manager presented about the supply chain, how the flow of goods from suppliers to get to the warehouse and to the produce, and then how to be marketed. He even explained in detail and was very helpful. The presentation was over. We are welcome to ask the questions such as about the supply chain, production, and warehouse. The questions we asked were mostly answered very well. The questions and answers section didn't take too long due to the time constraints. After the questions and answer sessions, we were invited to visit PT Gramedia's production rooms and warehouse. We were asked not to touch the items we pass. We can only ask if there are things that want to be asked. While walking, we did an interview. They also explained that there were some rooms that could not be entered just anyone because they needed special clothes. After all questions were complete, we were invited to return to the meeting room and there was a photo session. They gave a letter stamp as evidence that we had met an observations and the observation was finished. We shook hands with each other and farewell. Also, didn't forget to say many thanks to them. Finally, we went home and continued to work on the report regarding the observations. We gained a lot of knowledge by direct observations. Even though it was very difficult because it was our first experience in observations at the company. However, we gained a lot of experience and knowledge that will be useful in the future. Thank you for all my teams and thank you for PT Kompas Gramedia that have been allowed us the observations there. Thank you. It's all from me. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.